Tianjin is the host city of the 25th Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit. Let's follow CGTN's guide for the summit, XiaoMo. He takes us on a journey through Tianjin, starting at Astor Hotel, built in 1863. It's the first hotel in China to receive foreign guests. Every brick and tile of it records stories from that era. This hotel has witnessed diplomatic events, such as talks between the Qing government and consuls of Britain, the United States, and Japan, and mediation during the First Sino-Japanese War. East and West met and contended here. Chinese revolutionary pioneers, such as Sun Yat-sen, Tsai E, and Huang Shen, stayed here, sowing the seeds of hope for China's modern transformation.
This is one of the oldest elevators in China.
Just like the Astor Hotel, Tianjin, which opened its port in 1860, was a grand stage for Chinese and foreign cultures to merge. With its unique geographical location and open trade environment, Tianjin became the economic and cultural center of North China. The merger of cultures always sparks creativity. Peking opera master Mei Lanfang exemplified this. In 1923, when rehearsing Farewell My Concubine, he pioneered a new approach by becoming the first to use a Western phonograph from the Astor Hotel to accompany Peking opera. In 1936, Mei Lanfang performed in Tianjin for a month and resolutely devoted himself to using the arts as a form of cultural resistance against Japan. The story of this city, like the gears of the old elevator in the Astor Hotel, never stops turning. In January 1949, the liberation of Tianjin by the Communist Party heralded the birth of New China. Tianjin quickly took on the role of the cradle of New China's industry. In the country's first five-year plan, 11% of the nation's key industrial projects were located in Tianjin. China's first black and white television, first tractor, first bicycle, and first wristwatch were all born here, marking Tianjin's transformation from a commercial port to an industrial stronghold. In 1955, workers at the Tianjin watch factory, after hundreds of days of hard work using simple equipment, crafted the five-star brand wristwatch. Made in China was engraved on the dial, ending China's history of only being able to repair watches, but not make them. In 1973, the same factory exported China's first wristwatches to the international market under the Seagull brand. From the first made-in-China watch to the glory as the nation's cradle of industry, Tianjin has witnessed the growth of New China. When the spring breeze of reform and opening up arrives, the city's pulse will once again synchronize with the world. Tianjin, in 1984, was one of the first coastal cities in the country to open up. Today, Tianjin Port has evolved from a traditional wharf into one of the world's top 10 ports and built a world-leading intelligent container terminal. As a key node of the Belt and Road Initiative, Tianjin Port has opened more than 20 direct maritime routes to Europe. Tianjin is efficiently connecting Asia and Europe via China-Europe freight trains. In 2024, it operated over 600 trains, carrying 60,000 TEUs, hitting a record high. In 2025, it launched the regular Tianjin Port Horgos Central Asia route, consolidating the Golden Passage between the two continents. In 2025, the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit will be held in Tianjin. 600 years ago, the Ming Dynasty Emperor Zhu Di gave the city its name, which means Emperor's Ferry. When the SCO flag is raised by the Haihe River, Tianjin, once the Emperor's Ferry, now a reception hall for international guests, declares it embraces the world with an open heart.